Alam mo kung ano yung nakakatakot? When someone start liking you, pero di pa naman talaga nila kilala kung sino ka. They see you as this nice, confident, strong person, pero di nila alam you break down too. You make mistakes. You get lost, you messed up. Yung version mo na tahimik, yung masungit. Kasi to be honest, I'm not always strong. Sometimes I just pretend to be okay. But you know what I realize? You don't have to hide the messy part of you just to be loved. Kasi imaginein mo, if totoo yung pagmamahal, it won't fade when they see your flaws. It will grow deeper because of it. So if someone stay after seeing the parts of you that are not perfect, alam mo, don't take that for granted. Kasi sa mundong puro imahe at pagpapanggap, alam mo, hanapin mo yung totoong mamahalin ka sa totoong ikaw.